Triumph Motorcycles, renowned for its rich heritage and innovative designs, is poised to make a significant impact on the motocross scene with the upcoming launch of the TF450RC. Teased at the Super Motocross World Championship final in Las Vegas, this new 450cc motocross bike has generated considerable excitement among enthusiasts and competitors alike. Set to unveil on October 3rd, the TF450RC promises to build upon the momentum established by its predecessor, the TF250X, which marked Triumph's bold entry into motocross racing. While the full details and specifications of the TF450RC will be revealed at its official launch, early glimpses from the teaser videos suggest a machine that combines modern aesthetics with high-performance engineering. Anticipated features include an aluminum frame that is both lightweight and robust, facilitating superior handling and agility on challenging terrains. The slim chassis design, characteristic of Triumph's approach to motocross, is likely to enhance maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate tight corners and rough trails with ease. As with the TF250X, the 450RC is expected to be equipped with an array of advanced electronics. These systems are crucial in today's motocross environment, providing riders with enhanced control and performance tuning. Features such as traction control, adjustable power delivery, and possibly even ride modes could be integrated to help riders tailor their experience to their skill level and race conditions. As we await the official unveiling of the Triumph TF450RC, the excitement is palpable. This new motocross bike represents not only a significant advancement in Triumph's lineup, but also an opportunity to redefine its presence in a competitive landscape.